What's up?
Hey guys, what's up? This is Ash with Ash Media. And for those of you new guys that don't know me and watching my channel for the first time, I'm all about making money online and building a sustainable income online. Also showing you new tricks, online tricks and leveraging off the internet. So if you interested in on things like this and you want to make money online, be sure to subscribe because I will be coming out with more videos like this. And when I come out with more videos like this, you guys will be notified. Yes. So in today's video, I'm gonna name three apps and websites where you can make money. You can make money for free. This can be done in any country, can be done by anyone. You don't have to have experience, you don't have to have money. You can start now. This will be a lot for people that are at home, lost their jobs, got no jobs, or just staying at home and not doing much and have a lot of time. But you can even use it as to make a part-time income. So the first app that I'm going to talk about is called Make the Money app. So the Money app, you can get it on a Play Store. It's an M with like a red icon. Once you download it, you register. It's free to register. You go there, you can download other apps and make money, or you can play games on a Money app and you will get paid for doing that. The threshold is $5 for you to make your first withdrawal. So that's an awesome way to make money. It's free, it's cheap, and I know a lot of you watching this now, you have time. That's why you Google this, because you want to make an extra income, or you have time, or you're bored. That's why you came to watching YouTube videos. You want to learn something new. So the second app or the second website, I suggest you don't use the app, use a website. It's called TEESPRING.com. Now a lot of guys or people, ladies, mothers want to make their own design, their own clothing line or leggings or whatever. So Teespring, this is where you can make your own design. You can design a skipper, you can design marks with your you can put a design on there. So Teespring basically has different clothes, leggings, socks, cups, marks, face masks. You can put your design on there. It's free to register. Once you register, you say go design. You choose your design, can be anything, socks, marks, there'll be different designs. Once you go there, you can edit your design. You can put text on your design. You can put images. Once you put an image, you're happy, they'll show you at the bottom how much profit or how much commission you'll get when you sell that specific product. And it's fairly simple, because once you publish a product that you created the design with, you copy the link in the URL, you can share it on your Facebook, you can share it on your Instagram. When people click and buy on there, you'll get a commission, which is very awesome. So the third site, I'm sure a lot of people know about the third site, is called CANVA.com. So on canva.com, you can make money becoming a contributor. So contributor is where you make designs. You make designs and Canva will pay you for the designs. So if you guys don't know any one of the sites, even Canva, I'll leave it down in the description, links in the description. So once you sign up to Canva, it's free. You can even use the paid version. So Canva is where you can create designs like your YouTube thumbnails, your YouTube headers, basically picture designs. You can create cool image designs and wording and things like that. It's actually very awesome, Canva. So you can make money registering for free, and then once you register for free, you go into your account and you become a contributor. So contributors will get paid by Canva for their designs, which is really awesome. I think it's a good way to make money and free. So I'll leave all the links in the description that I spoke about in this video. And I hope you guys found value in this video. I'll be making more videos like this. Please be sure to subscribe. Don't be scared to subscribe and follow me. I got a lot of knowledge that I want to share with you guys. So these sites that I discuss, like Teespring, and you can make a lot of money from Teespring. You can make thousands of dollars from Teespring if you concentrated enough on Teespring. You need to build a niche. For example, if you build a niche on bodybuilding, you create designs around bodybuilding and you make your Instagram around bodybuilding, Facebook around bodybuilding, and your YouTube channel. And then that's how you can leverage off people and sell your products that you made a design for. So remember, when you make a design, you need to choose a niche. You can't just make any design. Your design needs to be appealing also. So you can go to Fiverr also to get the design for you, so that when you go on Teespring, you can put that image on a clothes which will look great and people will buy for you. But remember, always grow your Instagram and Facebook around that niche, so you can share your links there and people can buy and you'll get the profit. Yeah, that's about it. Those 3 websites, please try them. If you're going to try them today, take action today. Put in the comments, I'm in. Then I know you're going to try that. Cool.